Welcome to your Big Bear home tour. Today I am in Big Bear City at this beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom property, and I cannot wait to show you the views. Let's get started. Here is this property. You have 3 levels, garage on the ground floor, main living on the 2nd floor, and on the 3rd floor you have most of the bedrooms aside from the primary, and you have lots of views. Also, look at that wraparound deck. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the neighborhood. We are just north of the lake in Big Bear City, and it's so nice and quiet here. You sit on the top of the hill, so your views are way out. So let me get started showing you this property. The property is about a 1/4 acre. And up the stairs we go. So I'm going to show you the deck first as we come up, and then we'll go inside, at least this level of the deck, because there's also a deck on the 3rd story. So lots of space. This is a rental. So you could have a really good sized family reunion up here at this property. They have everything decked out that you'd need. And the deck wraps all the way around and then back down to the jacuzzi. And then the chain link fence designates the property. You can kind of see down there the other chain link fence. And there's the upstairs deck we'll take a look at as well. So, great place to enjoy a cup of coffee. I mean, look at those views. And there's the ski slope over there, that's Snow Summit. So during the winter time, have a really nice view of the surrounding area. And back inside we go. So this house is really set up nicely. It's got a game room, it's got a living room, it's got a beautiful crystal chandelier. And look at all this stacked stone. As you walk in, you have wood paneling and stacked stone all the way up. And that open wood beam ceiling, I mean, those ceilings are 18, 20 feet. And look at this bank of windows. And you have 1 set and then 2 sets. So windows over windows. And then it's open to the upstairs. But I love that chandelier. And a huge wood-burning fireplace. Big screen TV. So let's go over here into what I'd call the game room. So you got pool. Great place to hang out with family and friends. If you came up to ski for the weekend, what a wonderful place to be. And you have laminate floors, and just like an authentic cabin up here in Big Bear, you have all this beautiful wood paneling. And while I'm not usually a fan of tile, I love this red color, and you'll see it throughout the house. I think it looks fantastic. So you have a wet bar. And then let's go down the hallway. Here is the half bath. Perfect location, right next to the game room, so you don't have to run upstairs. And then let's walk into the kitchen. So kitchen is open to the living room and dining room space. And another really neat chandelier. I like their taste. And here again, that red tile. So the red tile is kind of a theme throughout the house. You'll see it. Adds a nice splash of color. And who wouldn't want to do their dishes with a view like that? Beautiful. You got some old school wood cabinets, and again, that red tile. And I like the under counter lighting. Got a nice big pantry. And then this is a door out to the jacuzzi in the backyard. So let's head into the primary. So the primary is the only bedroom that's downstairs. It's really good size, nice king size bed. Love the wooden window frames. And a nice big screen TV here for cuddling in bed and watching movies. And not to be missed again, that red tile. Here's the primary bathroom. Little closet here. And then you have a walk-in shower. And again, more color, that bright yellow and bright red. So we're gonna head upstairs to see the rest of the bedrooms. And then this is just a closet here. And up the stairs, you have carpet on the stairs and then back to the laminate, a little bit of a different color. I'm gonna head this way and then I'll kind of tour back around to show the bedrooms. Again, another closet here. This has the water heater. And then this area is open to the living room. And I really wanted to show off these views. The only problem is I can't open the door, but we can see them from these big windows here. And all this wood accent paneling. I love the chevron design. And again, that's Snow Mountain right out there. And there you get a zoomed up look. But what a beautiful view. Great for a après-ski cocktail. Lots of space for people to sit. So you could have people up here watching TV, people playing pool. So here's the first bedroom. I like having all the TVs. Everyone can relax and enjoy in the evening and watch whatever they'd like to. And then guest bathroom. You have a tub here. And again, the yellow curtains and the red countertops. Lots of storage in this house. Here's another closet. And then this room's set up for kids. It's a nice big room though. It'd be great if you weren't using it as a rental, as another dual, almost dual primary. You don't have a suite here, but nice size walk-in closet. Here's the other guest bathroom back to back with the other one. So enough bathrooms for everybody to use. And again, that yellow and red. And then lastly, at the end of the hall is the last bedroom. And this is open to the living area, the window, but open to that living area. And that's a room that connects the bedroom next door to this one. And some more views out that way. Beautiful. This would be a great place for a desk. And then let's show you the closet. And an extra trundle bed. So the location of this is so great because you're only, I'd say about 15 minutes from Snow Summit, and you're about, 10 minutes from Big Bear Village. So we go downstairs and show you the garage. So you get a full look at the attached 2-car garage. And those downstairs are actually right underneath these. I love this wood paneling. And down we go. Stairs are covered, obviously, for everyone who's going to be coming down here with all their snow gear on. And it's locked. I'll have to go from the outside, but you have more storage here. Lots more storage here downstairs. So I'm gonna head back out and show you the garage from outside. Well, we're going back downstairs. It's the only way to get in and out with the lock on the door. So let's go take a look one more time. Kind of dark and creepy here. We'll turn on the lights. And there's the garage. And look how cool this is. They have another little gym set up. And another place to relax and spend some time if you want. So the kids could kind of spend their time out here while the adults were inside doing their thing. Another storage closet. So that's the end of our tour. What a great property. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please subscribe. My name is Meghan Meihaus. I am a top real estate agent and relocation specialist in San Diego County with Pacific Sotheby's, and I am up here looking at properties in Big Bear and wanted to share with you. So if you're looking to buy a second home in Big Bear, or looking to downsize, or just get out of town and live somewhere a little quieter, I can help you here in Big Bear. I can also help you in North San Diego County. So if you'd like to book a call to get some more information about this property, click the link below and you can book a free 20-minute call with me. If you want more information about Big Bear, I can share a Big Bear guide on some of my favorite places up here, and information about the ski resorts. Also, if you are just watching my channel and you're not looking to buy or sell here in Big Bear or in San Diego, but you are looking to buy or sell somewhere else in the country, I have a vetted list of agents that I could help you with to make sure that you have the best agents to help you buy or sell around the country. So please click the link below for any of those, and I will see you on the next one.